In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a manual invoice number format in Odoo. If you need Odoo to continue numbering your invoices using a different format than the current one, this process is a simple way to update it directly from an existing invoice. The key idea is that Odoo often follows the numbering pattern of the most recently posted invoice, so by carefully editing that number and reposting it, you can guide the system into using your preferred format going forward. To begin, open the Invoicing app in Odoo. Once you're there, go to the Customers menu and then select Invoices. This will bring up your invoice list where you'll want to open your latest posted invoice. It's important to use the most recent posted invoice because that's the one Odoo is most likely to reference for the next sequence. After opening the invoice, click Reset to Draft. This temporarily changes the invoice back from a posted state into an editable draft. Keep in mind that invoice numbers on posted invoices are usually locked, so resetting to draft is what allows you to make the change. Once the invoice is back in draft status, click the invoice number at the top of the form. You should now be able to edit it manually. Replace the current number with your preferred invoice number format. As you do this, make sure the new format matches the structure you want Odoo to continue using, since the system may pick up that same style for the next invoice in the sequence. It's a good idea to enter the format carefully and double check it before moving on, especially if your business follows a specific numbering convention for accounting or internal tracking. When the new invoice number looks correct, save the changes. This ensures your edited number is recorded before the invoice is posted again. Next, click Confirm to post the invoice once more. This puts the invoice back into its official posted state, now using the updated number format you set. Finally, create a new invoice and confirm it to verify the result. This is the step that lets you check whether Odoo continues using the new numbering format automatically. If the new invoice follows the pattern you entered, then the update worked successfully. That's all it takes to manually set a new invoice number format in Odoo. Just make sure you edit the correct posted invoice, apply the format carefully, and test it with a new invoice so you can confirm everything is working as expected.